Welcome back! In this video, we'll go through the essential post-installation steps for Windows Server 2025. We'll rename the computer, join a domain or workgroup, set the time zone, configure a static IP address, and finish by running Windows Update. Let's get started. First, let's rename our server. Open Server Manager, click Local Server, and look for the computer name field. Click on the name. Then, in the System Properties window, choose Change. Type a meaningful name for your server. For example, DC01 if it will be a domain controller. Click OK, then restart the server when prompted. Now let's adjust the time zone. Right-click the clock on the taskbar, choose Adjust Date and Time, and then click Change Time Zone. Select the correct region for your location. This is especially important if your server will be joined to a domain, since time synchronization is critical. By default, your server may have a dynamic IP from DHCP. For a server role, we need a static address. Open Network and Sharing Center, select your network adapter, and click Properties. Highlight Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click Properties. Choose Use the following IP address and enter. The IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. Then, under DNS, add your preferred DNS server addresses. Click OK to save the settings. Finally, let's install the latest updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. It's always best practice to bring your server fully up to date before adding roles or deploying in production. Allow the updates to download and install, and restart if prompted. And that completes the essential post-installation setup for Windows Server 2025. We renamed the computer, joined a domain or workgroup, set the correct time zone, configured a static IP address, and ran Windows Update. In the next video, we'll begin adding server roles and features. If this helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching!